In 2018, GoSol conducted trainings to empower young solar entrepreneurs in Uganda. These education packages were implemented in SmartUp factory hubs with Plan International Uganda and Plan International Finland. We did the trainings at the SmartUp factory hubs in Tororo and Gulu. SmartUp hubs exist to raise up and empower disadvantaged youths and help them to resolve issues within their communities. Our education packages include a well-rounded variety of subjects including science, history, entrepreneurship, and environmental issues. We taught these 18 to 25-year-olds how to assemble and calibrate our Sol 5 solar-powered baking ovens, and then we learned how to bake. Our students are now running small bakeries, earning an income powered by sustainable energy.